Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm actually doing a quick review on something I bought on AliExpress, which is just this very, very cheap little power pack. It takes 18650 batteries, which it doesn't come with, but it was only £1.86, and it has LED lights, and from what I can work out, it'll probably charge my phone between 2 and 3 times. But you know, for that sort of price, you know, you could buy one for everyone in the family, and they're good to go, you know. And the thing I like about it is you can just reopen it and take the batteries out if they start to degrade or whatever, rather than, you know, the ones you buy from elsewhere, which are, you know, fully integrated and you can't take them apart. Before I do any reviews and anything, I'd just like to thank my patrons. Darren specifically, you are absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for all the help you've given to the channel. It has been absolutely awesome and I really do appreciate it. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, this is how it arrived. Nothing the best packaging in the whole wide world, but if it works, I don't really care. Anyone who's been with the channel for a while will know I've got quite a few 18650 batteries. And I thought I'd make some use of them. This is for 18650 batteries, and basically it's just a power pack, but it's got all of the electronics visible to you. I think it looks quite nice, but let's go and find some 18650 batteries. Okay. Oh my goodness. One. Oh, I should have got some better ones. Oh well. These are the ones I picked. These are the ones that are going in. So I assume, I'm not saying it's on 100%, but I don't really know. Press and hold, is there a light on it? Oh yeah. So double press for light. Fair enough. I don't know how charged these are, so I did charge them not so long ago, but I never did any tests with them, so they could be depleting quite quickly. I honestly don't know. Right, how'd you get this on? Oh, that way around. Okay, so I clipped the back on. I struggled with clipping it on. I'm a bit concerned trying to get it open again. Might be a bit of a negative, but you double press for lights and double press. Oh, hang on. Oh, cool as heck. So double press for lights and then single press for different modes. That's pretty cool. And then you've got Type C and Type C and micro USB charging, and 2 outputs of just normal USB. But it doesn't say how much amps or anything, but I'm sure I can find that in a second. It's funny, it's got here, hang on, it says 100, then 00 milliamps. So is that saying it's 10,000 or it's 0 milliamps? Who knows? Right, did I just chuck a bit of paper away? Probably. When you plug it in to charge, it checks the charge, and then it's almost fully full, but it's just telling me it's on the last bit of the charging, which I think is absolutely awesome. And I have hundreds and hundreds of 18650 batteries, so this is a definite win. I suddenly realised I hadn't talked about the price of this. Now, I'd say £5 would be a bargain for this. Like, you know, it's all pretty well put together. It's aesthetically brilliant. I really like it, and it fundamentally serves a huge purpose, which is I've got loads of 18650 batteries. A lot of people in my in my life also have a lot of 18650 batteries, and if not, you can buy 3 18650 batteries fairly cheap. I'd say £5 is a steal, and I'm sure you could see this being sold for about 20 quid online. I got it for £1.86. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, it's a beautiful little thing. It works so well, and for that price, under £2, it's just an incredibly aesthetic, useful device. I have now had this for about 3 months, and it literally, I put it on to charge once I've used, you know, as soon as it's getting about halfway, I'll put it on to charge, and that's me done. I then take it with me. It goes straight in my bag, and I've had no moments where I haven't had it and I haven't had my battery go dead on my phone. My phone's quite old now, and so the battery does sort of start to die about halfway through the day. We're about between 30 and 40% if I've been using it a lot. So this has become, you know, basically a safety go-to, so I haven't had to worry about my battery dying. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to my patrons. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.